wanna go for a walk? Good morning, happy Thursday. Let's start off a new vlog. So on Tuesday, I made this apple swirl bread. It's absolutely beautiful, but I was thinking this would be so delicious if I made it into French bread, or like French toast. So that is what I'm going to be doing this morning for breakfast for the baby. I'm going to just cut off a couple pieces for it. Oh, no, I could do the whole thing and then freeze the pieces actually. So got my pan ready. Let's chunk this up and let me tell you about my week so far. I'm gonna want this size. So this week so far, I've just been working. I start work on Wednesdays. And it wasn't too bad yesterday. People were kind of dumb, but not anything super crazy that I couldn't handle. However, the baby did not want to go to sleep. So I think I need to find some sort of better routine to get him to go to sleep, because we can't be crying every night until 1, 2 in the morning. I can't do that anymore. That just isn't an option. So I really wanted Chick-fil-A. And so Michael was like, oh, check like how much it would be to get delivered, because he was like on his way to work. So I checked. $24. No, for one meal? Heck no. So we did decide, me and the baby, as in we, to get McDonald's instead, which was $10. So much better. We got a Happy Meal. I got a hot and spicy, like the meal deal where you get the little nuggies and stuff. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Today's been going so slow at work today, though, that I should do something, you know? Like, I should clean or work out or do something. But it's, like, too slow to, like, leave my desk, but not slow enough to leave. You know what I mean? Like, I hope that makes sense. Maybe it doesn't if you don't work customer service. But I'll do something, I guess. But wanted to check in. It's currently 4, so I'm on just a little break right now, and then I'll go back and work until 6:30, and then we'll have dinner. This is like late lunch, pre-lunch, pre-dinner. So he took a 40-minute nap. So hopefully that means that he'll nap again later. I need to look up and do some research today on the best ways to have a good night routine. I think I'm gonna definitely swap some stuff today and see if this helps. If not, I'm just gonna stay up forever. I want to wake up early to work out, but I can't do that if I go to bed so late. I can't be going to bed at 1:30 every day because he's upset and sad. So something's got to give, and it's got to be him. What? What? It is so cute. So Varus's new thing is he climbs up onto the couch to like sit and relax, but sometimes he can't get up there and it makes him really mad, so he like yells at me. But now he's on the floor drinking milk. I go on break here in about 15 minutes, which I'm very excited about because I want to just toast out, you know? I'm just like, so I just had to share that because it's so funny. I'll put a little clip in. on, take a bath. Come on, let's take a bath, baby. Thank you. Here, baby, do you want your milk? Okay, so operation go to bed earlier at 8 o'clock. Let me switch this to be lo-fi real quick, actually, before I talk to you. Okay, so bedtime last night, I was literally up till 1:30 in the morning, and I have things that I want to accomplish in the morning. I want to get up, I want to work out, I want to be a better version of myself, so I'm not short patient or on like a short like list in my brain for the day. So today, I get off work at 9, so let me back up a little bit, okay? I get off work at 9, so my goal is to create a routine where it's 9 o'clock, we're in the tubbies for 20 minutes. After tubbies, he gets jammies, lotion, hairbrush, teeth brush, whatever, and then he is going to be listening to music, so I put lo-fi on, chill vibes, low lights, his milk bottle, and then by, I'm going to say 10:15, we're going to be in that bedroom, either in his swing or in his bed with his back being rubbed, something, so that he can know that, hey, it's bedtime now. We're going to go night-night, and we're going to sleep. So then I can wake up at 6 and work out. Or something, you know, like clean, do something. Because by the end of the day, I'm really tired, and I don't want to, like, do a bunch of stuff. So, well, I'll keep you updated tomorrow if this works. Right now, I'm going to make a cup of tea because I'm actually hungry, but I don't think that I should eat more food today. I like really don't have anything for me to eat, so we'll see how I feel after a cup of tea. Usually like a hot beverage, like you feel better. So I'm gonna make some chamomile. Yes. Yeah. I don't think he likes that it's just music playing and not like a movie or something, but it's fine. He doesn't watch his movie all day long. It's just background noise, but it's just like the TV turns off black when it plays music, so I don't think he likes that as much. All right, half milk down. I'm gonna make this tea and check in. All right, we need a couple things of milk at the store, so we just walked here. So let's get some milk. You ready? We have big milk for you. Oh, look at that. It is absolutely pouring outside, which is very nice. I like when it's nice and cool out. So the baby's playing in the dirt. The cat keeps coming out because she's like, what's going on? I think we're gonna sit out here and he can play all his dirt as much as he wants as long as the weather is nice. So the only thing that sucks is our car's charging out in the rain, so it's getting super wet. Okay, we're not eating dirt. Oh my goodness. Do you hear that? Maris, do you hear that? I know. Dirt on your face. Want some? Ooh, we have ice cream. An ice cream? Oh. I literally was like, this is gonna be such a cute meal to make, and then I'm gonna film it and show everyone. I made like homemade KFC bowls, like mashed potatoes, corn, chicken and gravy, some bread. I ate 2 servings and I didn't take a picture or anything. I was just like, I'm so hungry. So I didn't really have breakfast. And I was just like, even the baby is like done eating. Oops. All right, well, it was good. I literally used some bone broth that I had made like a week or 2 ago and added in the fridge, and then like did a cornstarch slurry and added some seasonings, and it was like a perfect gravy, enough chicken in it. It was so good. It's nice and rainy still, nice and cozy. I might make a hot chocolate, actually. That might be good because I'm kind of cold, actually. Like my skin's goose pimply. Here, let's go outside. Let me show you what it's looking like. Doesn't look like it's gonna rain more at the moment. I would give it maybe another maybe 2 hours or so. Looks like more clouds are like forming in, but it's definitely really cool out right now. It's, if I had to guess, like 75, or let me look, 76. Look at me, I can feel it. So hot chocolate actually sounds pretty good instead of eating the rest of the KFC bowl stuff. I can't believe I did that. It's whatever. I'm gonna have fresh air though, that's for sure. These guys are stinky, these ferrets. So let's get some fresh air going. Maybe need some pants. Oh, I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Are you okay? I didn't mean to drop it on your noggin. Some yogurt. Let's do some yogurt. I want a Red Bull. Want to try some egg salad? Apple and toast? Or do you want bread? Let's do bread. We'll do that. Yeah. So it's another really rainy day today. So I'm gonna have a nice slow morning, I think, just to enjoy it. Making the baby breakfast right now. He's having kind of an odds and ends breakfast, which I think is my favorite to make. I've been really loving this like apple swirl bread that I had made us. I feel like it's pretty good, and he really likes it. But to be fair, he just likes whatever I make him when it comes to baking anyway, so. Yeah. Okay, let's get, are you hungry? Are you a hungry boy? Yesterday he launched himself off of the couch and he bonked his head a little bit and cut his nose. Poor baby. He needs to learn feet off the couch, not whole body head first diving off the couch. But all right, let's get you into your tray so you can have some breakfast. Mwah. Mwah.
Hi, $7.75. Thank you. Here you are.
Thank you.
Here are 2 frosties. You have a great night.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I've ghosted today. I've been doing other things. So this will be like the last little bit of this vlog because I'm going to start a new one tomorrow because we're going camping on Monday. So I need to pack and plan for that. So I'm going to take you along with me. But right now we're on a little walk. It is extremely lightning-y outside. So it's very nice. But it's lit up out here. Okay, we're not eating big rocks. Thank you. But maybe we shouldn't be outside, but it's not raining yet or anything, and I don't hear the thunder like hard, so we'll be out here for a minute.